Ho, 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 Hobby Link International Christmas giveaway up next. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from HobbyLinkInternational.com and welcome to the Christmas giveaway. The HLI Christmas giveaway is held every year, but this isn't a YouTube giveaway, this is a community giveaway, so you have to sign up at community.hobbylinkinternational.com. That link is in the description below, or just go to hobbylinkinternational.com, hit the community button and go register. But there's a key to this giveaway. You can't only register at the community, you have to be a member that uses the community, so you got to post over there, and we can actually keep track of who is posting. So those people that are actually using the community will be in on the giveaway, and that is December 25th. There'll be a link to the rules also in the description below. This year we are giving away a 1/350 scale TOS Enterprise, and that's thanks to Mark Shu, who I think this is his third or fourth year has donated to the Christmas giveaway, and we will be giving away, Kelly and I think this is a 1/6 scale, and this is Alistair Sim from A Christmas Carol, and this is by John Dennett. It's an excellent sculpt. I showed this on a live stream and I think a regular video that I did about John Dennett. So we'll be giving away 5 of these. These will be distributed anywhere in the world because shipping isn't going to be that bad on these, but unfortunately the TOS, how big it is and how much it weighs, this one is just going to be for people in the United States because we can't afford the shipping to go worldwide on this one unless we can figure out a way to do that before Christmas. So if you're interested in joining in on the Christmas present giveaway, make sure you come over to community.hobbylinkinternational.com and register today. So thank you for stopping by, and we thank Ava, who's behind the camera today with Kenny. She controlled it all, and hoping everybody has a Merry Christmas, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.